हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं भीमराव अंबेडकर बिहार यूनिवर्सिटी के पीएचडी एडमिशन का टेस्ट पेपर। यह 2022 में लास्टली कंडक्ट कराया गया था और यह पेपर पेपर 1 है जो सभी सब्जेक्ट में कॉमन होता है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, गिवन बिलो आर टू स्टेटमेंट। स्टेटमेंट 1, सैम्पल साइज फॉर क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च vary by technique but are generally small. And statement 2, qualitative research involves non-probability sampling. In light of above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. So इसका correct answer है both statement 1 and 2 are true. Next question, after identifying the different variables and establishing the logical reasoning in theoretical framework, the next step in research process is generate hypothesis is the right answer. यह मैच दी फॉलोइंग से क्वेश्चन है। शोध गंगा किस चीज से रिलेटेड है और इसका मैच करना है कि कौन सा आंसर इसका सही होगा। शोध गंगा रिलेटेड है सेकेंड ऑप्शन से थीसिस डेटाबेस। स्वयं प्रभा फोर्थ है डीटीएच एडुकेशनल। सी विद्वान एक ऐप है जिसका एक्सपर्ट डेटाबेस और रिसर्च नेटवर्क में यूज है। डी है साक्षात ऑनलाइन कंटेंट डिलीवरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, extraneous variables are essentially related to independent variables. The feasibility of a research study generally depend upon cost factor, time required to conduct research, skill set of the researcher, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. In which of the following research method manipulation and control of variables and randomization of sample are two of the basic requirement? Correct answer is experimental research. One of the essential characteristics of research is generalizability. Next question, identify the non-probability sampling procedure from the following. Correct option is D. The fundamental mathematical operation cannot be done if a variable is measured at nominal level. For the following given steps, research process are. Correct answer C है. The percentage pie diagram given below show monthly expenditure of two families A and B on various items along with raw data of the expenditure as mentioned in the legend. What is the ratio of the radii of circle A to B in constructing the pie diagram? Correct answer is 10:9. तो एक सारणी दिया गया है, इसमें बहुत सारे डेटा दिए गए हैं, इसके बेसिस पे 3 से 4 क्वेश्चन का जवाब देना है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इसका आंसर 14% है। इसको सॉल्व करके इसका आंसर डालना है। The average percentage of the candidate who qualify from state M for all the years, 15%. What the percentage increase in candidate who appeared between 2007 and 2011, 14%, 40%. What is the average number of candidates who qualified from state and during all these years, 52 candidates. Generally, what is the word order Indian language, object subject verb? इसमें भारतीय भाषा के का शब्द का व्युत्क्रम क्या है ये पूछा गया है, इसलिए इसका करेक्ट आंसर SOV होगा। Which of the following is an exocentric compound? Cut throat. The minimal meaningful unit of a language is called morpheme. Tamil belongs to which one of the following language families? Dravidian. Dravidian. Which one of the following is an abstract noun? Happiness. The noun phrase "the son of a king" which case in there? इसमें राजा का पुत्र कौन सा कारक है ये पूछा गया है, इसलिए इसका आंसर जेनेटिव केस है। Which one of the following language spoken in Bihar is not a scheduled language under the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Bhojpuri. Word like smoke, telecast, infotainment, and example of which one of the following word formation process? Correct answer is blending. Which one of the following is not an example of an abbreviation? AIDS. Which one of the following is not an example of full reduplication? Chai Y. The bus fare between two cities is increased in the ratio 11:18. What would the increase in the fare if the original fare is rupees 550? Correct answer is 350. What is the average of first 39 even numbers? 40. If Anuj walks at the speed of 4 km/h, then he reaches his school 6 minutes late. But if he walk at a speed of 5 km/h, then he reaches 6 minutes before scheduled time. What is the distance in his school from his house? 4 km. 29th number question. The number that must be added to each of the number 8, 21, 13 and 31 to make the ratio of first two numbers equal to the ratio of last two numbers? 5. The difference between the simple and compound interest compounded annually on a certain sum of money for 2 years at 16 per annum is rupees 320. What is the value of given sum? Correct answer is D. 12,500. Question 31. In a certain code language, Trump is written as 46321 and green is written as 76598. How is Grant written in the code language? Correct answer is D. In the following question, select the missing number from the given series: 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Correct answer is 31. The following equation is incorrect. Which two signs should be interchanged to correct the equation? This is confusable question and इस क्वेश्चन में शायद इसका सही से कैलकुलेशन नहीं हो पाता है। Six person A, B, C, D, E, and F are standing in a circle. B is between F and C. A is between E and D. F is to the left of D. Who is the between B and D? Correct answer is F. In a row of people, Mayank is 8th from bottom. Pramod is 12th rank from Mayank. If Pramod is 9th from top, the how many people are there in the row? 28 is correct answer. Poorly nourished lake are known as oligotrophic. Which of the following cycle is sedimentary cycle? Sulfur cycle. BOD of the effluents discharged on land from irrigation should not exceed 30 mg per liter. DDT accumulates in which tissue of the body? Fat. Hardness of water is due to calcium, magnesium and carbonate. Which gas was leaked in Bhopal gas tragedy? The correct answer is methyl isocyanate. UN Decade of Education for Sustainable Development is 2005 to 2014. Please Bende is an ode of Correct answer is uranium. Baba Amte was the leader of Namda Bachao Andolan. Which one of the following gases facilitates formation of tropospheric ozone (NO2)? One of the most important contribution of ICT in the field of education is easy access to learning. Which one of the following tools of learning does not provide ICT laboratories? In order to stay ahead and be a competitive person in the increasing demand of ICT, a leader must keep pace with update technology. How many bits does in IP Internet Protocol address of IPv4? 32. ICT comprises the following components: information and communication infrastructure, ICI, information technology, IT, communication technology, CT. The all are the correct answer. So this is the last question. Till bye, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.